disappointments and trouble every day. Many times I get discouraged and I almost lose my way. Then I remember I'm just a pilgrim in this troubled world below. That's the reason I keep singing as I go. We're not home yet, children, so keep your eyes on the Savior. Just a few more days to labor, and we'll sit down beside the river. How we long to be with Jesus and our loved ones gone before us. There's a better day a-comin', we're not home yet. There's a land filled with milk and honey just awaiting there for me. Someday Jesus will come and take me over the sea. Then I must keep watching and waiting in this troubled world below. That's one thought that keeps me singing as I go. We're not home yet, children, so keep your eyes on the Savior. Just a few more days to labor, and we'll sit down beside the river. How we long to be with Jesus and our loved ones gone before us. There's a better day a-comin', we're not home yet. We're not home yet, children, so keep your eyes on the Savior. Just